In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the store to save a participant's response and display it to them later in the questionnaire. If you're familiar with Qualtrics, you might know this feature as piped text. First, let's preview the questionnaire to see this in action. On the first page, the participant enters their name. On the second page, the participant is greeted by the name they just entered. To see how this has been set up, let's first look at page 1. The participant's name is collected using a text entry object. To save this response to the store, click on Show Additional Settings and toggle on Save to Store. In the Save menu, select what you want to save. For text entry, the only option is the value the participant types into the box. For other objects, you may have the option to save the response itself or a quantized version. Now we need to set a field in the store where we want to save this value. Here we have created a field in the store called Name. Now let's look at page 2 to see how we retrieve this value and show it to the participant. The question field of the date entry object contains special syntax that tells Gorilla to insert the value from the name field in the store. Displaying saved responses is just one of the ways you can use the store. Check out our branching and experiment tutorial to see how to send participants down different paths in your experiment based on stored values.